Right, so this question is just asking you to find the equation of this line that gives you 2 points and give it in the simplest form, which is essentially this. So this is a y-coordinate, x-coordinate, that's your gradient, and that's where it cuts the y-axis or the y-intercept, as they know it. Now, to actually do this, I would be working out the gradient first. Okay, so the gradient is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now to work these out, you just look at your gradient, or look at your two sets of coordinates. We'll make this x2, and we make that y2. We'll just make this one x1, and we make that y1. So we can now, that's 15 minus, that's 5, and that is over 3 minus minus 2. So that equals 10. Now 3 minus minus 2, the two minuses make a positive, so that's going to be, oh, that'll be 5. I should write, and that is going to equal 2. Okay, so we now know m equals 2. So what we can now say is we can now say, well, we've got y equals 2x plus c. Now, to actually work out what c is we can actually substitute a set of these coordinates into this equation as x and y coordinates. So if I look at these coordinates here, that's at x and y. So if we substitute for x and y here, we can work out what c is. So what we're going to do is y is 15, so 15 equals 2 times that x is 3 plus c. Okay, so 15 equals 6 plus c. So we'll just work out what is c if c plus 6 is equal to 15. So obviously we can subtract 6 from both sides and we end up with c equals 9. Okay, so that's where it cuts the y-axis. So we've got m, we've now got c. Okay, so that was m equals. So we can now just rewrite the initial equation and we'll just say y equals, that's 2x, and that is plus, and c is 9. Okay, so that's your answer to that question.